Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot printer problems you're having on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select where it says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. On the left side, you want to select where it says System, and then on the right, you want to go down to Troubleshoot. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to go and select other troubleshooters, and then you want to select underneath most frequent. Go ahead and select printer and then select run. Okay, so hopefully this would have been able to resolve the problem. If not, and you're still having an issue, I would recommend turning the printer off and then on again, as well as restarting your computer. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection with your printer, make sure it's connected to your network. And if you're using a physical connection between your printer and your computer, make sure it's plugged in properly on both ends. So again, you want to make sure you have a good connection there and that everything is turned on. Something else you can try too, if you want to go on to Google and search up your printer make and model, most printer manufacturers have automated tools that will download and install the latest software and driver compatibility with your printer. So I'd recommend checking into that as well. But we can also check for drivers through Device Manager, but again, I would suggest going onto the manufacturer's website. But if you want to just do it through Windows here, you can just right click on the Start button and select Device Manager. And then you would expand the printer section, so the printer or print queues. Go ahead and double click on that. Right click on your printer, and whatever your printer name would be should be listed in here. And you would select update driver. You have a couple options. First thing I would actually recommend would be to search automatically for drivers. However, like I said, you probably still want to go on to Google and look for it. Otherwise, then you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update and do a Windows Update search. Something else you can do here too is if you had anything already on your computer, you could right click on the device again and select update driver, select browse my computer for drivers, and then you can select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, in which case then go ahead and select your local printer driver. So if you had a generic one, you can go with that. Otherwise, I would strongly suggest if you had a printer specific one that had the printer name in it, I would recommend going with that one and then selecting next. And then you just would restart your computer at that point, and that should hopefully be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.